Understanding TBH on Instagram and how to respond.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at a popular social media acronym, TBH, specifically in the context of Instagram. We'll break down what it means, why people use it, and most importantly, how you can respond to it.
What does TBH mean?
TBH stands for, to be honest. It's a phrase that's commonly used on social media platforms, especially Instagram. Users use this acronym when they want to share an honest opinion about someone else, usually in a respectful and constructive manner. For example, a comment might say, TBH, I really love your style, or TBH, you're really talented.
Why do people use TBH?
TBH is often used as a way to engage with others on Instagram. It's commonly used in comments on a post or in the direct messages, DMs, as a conversation starter or as a way to provide genuine feedback or compliments. TBH allows users to provide honest commentary or observations about others, helping to build relationships and create a more open, positive environment on the platform.
How do I respond to a TBH?
Responding to a TBH can be as simple as saying thank you, especially if it's a compliment. If the TBH is more of an observation or a constructive criticism, then it might be good to engage in a discussion about it. Remember, the goal here is to facilitate meaningful conversation. For example, if someone says, TBH, I love how you're always positive, a suitable response could be, thank you. I believe positivity can change our outlook on life. How do you stay positive? And if the comment is something like, TBH, your recent posts have been a bit off. Hope everything is okay, you could respond with, thanks for your concern. I've been experimenting a bit with my content, but I appreciate your feedback. And there you have it. TBH is a tool to initiate conversations and share honest feelings or feedback on Instagram. Responding to a TBH is an opportunity to engage in a meaningful conversation with your followers. Remember, the key to a great response is gratitude, reflection, and engaging dialogue. I hope this video was helpful, and that you're now more comfortable using and responding to TBH on Instagram. Happy posting!